Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is general reading for Scorpio for the month of August. This reading includes the reading of all the 4 weeks. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Scorpions, this is your energy for this month, that is the Knight of Swords reversed. This is showing me that you have a lot of energy and you want to reach somewhere as soon as possible. You have a lot of plans and you have a plan to reach somewhere, and you just want to reach there as quickly as possible, but unfortunately the direction doesn't seem to be clear. There is little bit of uh, instability and lack of clarity in your thoughts and direction. So let's see what are the cards in your first week. That is Queen of Pentacles, King of Wands, and Seven of Wands. So I think in the first week you will be at a position, you will be doing something which you really like, and that is going to give you a lot of happiness, contentment, and you will get what you have been waiting for since a very long time. You have had little bit of struggles in the past and you are going to overcome all those struggles, and now you will be sitting on the position, on that chair where you will be handling everything. You will have a different vision of things, and you will have the power to make your own decisions, and whatever decisions you will make are going to be very very beneficial for you. So before moving to the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. All right, so this is the second week. The cards here are the Sun reversed, Six of Swords, and Temperance card. So this is showing me that whatever you have been deeply wished for is definitely going to be yours. It's just that you could face little bit of delays, and you will be handling your life in a very very good manner. You will be able to balance stuff. You will have this intuitiveness, you will be spiritually active, you will listen to your heart, and you are going to get very very good benefits. You might also have to move somewhere. You might have to move to a place where you will find better opportunities for yourself. So this is going to be a very constructive week for you, I should say. All right, the next week, that is the third week, the cards here are Justice card, then Seven of Cups reversed, and Page of Wands reversed. So I think everything is going to be good, but it's just that you should not lose your vision. You should not take things for granted in the third week. You should whatever plans you are making, you should discuss it with other people also, someone who is an experienced person, and these plans should be for the long term benefit, not the short term goals, because otherwise you will again come back to the same place where you will feel that your life is not stable anymore. So you should plan properly your third week. Moving towards your fourth week, it is the Knight of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Empress. So like nothing to worry. Maybe you might just feel a little lazy in the third week, but your fourth week is again very very good. You will be planning properly, you will be sorting out stuff, you will have this long term plan which is not only going to benefit you, but it is going to benefit to the coming generations also. You will have a very very good futuristic view. It is going to make you more independent. It is going to give you a lot of respect in the society, and there could be some very very good news from the family also. It could be some could be related to the money, could be related to the child of it could be related to the birth of a child, or some good news you might get to hear in the last week of August. Yeah, so this was about it, Scorpions. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. For the detailed reading, you can see the description box also. We also do the per day reading. For that, you will have to see our Instagram or the Facebook page. Everything is given, all the links are given in the description box. So all the best